What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So the last video you saw of this car, we got the Work XC9 wheels on. It's looking absolutely amazing. I really do like how these wheels look on the car. The next thing I want to do is clean up the front end. So I think we can all agree that this car needs a front lip, right? It's pretty ugly looking. It's got these little white tabs sticking out. Yeah, it's just not the best looking front end right now with no front lip. So I picked up this lip right here from a local guy for about $80. It's brand new. I know you can get these on eBay for about $100. I'll have the same exact lip linked down in the description box below if you guys want to pick one up for your own car. But yeah, this should look pretty good. Let's take a step back and see how exactly it fits on the bumper. So some lips I buy, they kind of hug over the bumper like that, kind of like the Evo 10 lip I have on, and the FRS lip actually as well. This one screws right to the bottom of the bumper. So that's gonna add a solid, I would say a solid 2 inches to the bottom of the bumper. Yeah, that's about 2 inches. So it's gonna make the front end look quite a bit lower, and I think it's gonna look really nice. You can either install this lip while your bumper's on the car. My bumper is super easy to remove, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull my bumper off, and then we can just get this lip screwed on right to the bottom of the bumper. Should be pretty easy to do, pretty straightforward. I did not get any hardware with this lip whatsoever, so I would have to source my own hardware, but that should be pretty easy to find. Just a few screws here and there, and it should hold on just fine. Before I pull the bumper off, I'm gonna show you how it looks with no lip whatsoever. You guys see those little white tabs down there? They're pretty ugly looking. There's a lot of space in between the ground and the bumper. Yeah, there's definitely supposed to be a stock lip down there, and it has nothing on there whatsoever. So that's how it looks with no lip. Not the best looking. So they made this super easy to install. Do you see these little tabs right here, guys? At first I thought I was gonna be screwing that up from the bottom into the bottom of the bumper right here, but those tabs sit perfectly in this little cutout, I guess you could say, with the hole in it. So all that's gonna do, you're gonna put a screw through the back of that, and it's gonna screw right into the lip, just like that. Unfortunately, like I said, I didn't get any hardware with this lip, so I'm gonna have to, I'll probably have some hardware over here, honestly. Always gotta have a stash of hardware when you work on cars a lot. Phillips button head screws. Oh yeah, there's definitely gonna be some screws in here I can use. There still is a few little pieces here and there. All these white pieces I'm guessing are from the OEM lip. So I'm gonna go rip those off, and then we can get this new lip installed. They made this so freaking easy. I am so pumped right now. This is gonna be like a 2-minute video. All right, so I got all those little pieces off that were still on there from the stock lip. Wow, it's kind of scratched up down there. I should get this bumper painted someday. Now this guy is gonna sit on there just like that. Nice, flush fitment. I think I'm gonna set the lip and the bumper down exactly where I want it, and then screw everything together. You can't really adjust the lip at all. There's no adjustments needed. Oh yeah, that is gonna look so nice on there. Hopefully you guys can hear me fine. I got my little propane heater. I hope there's not a bunch of background noise. It's like freaking cold outside in Spokane right now. Just like that, we're done, pretty much. Let's throw some screws in there. I already have some from the stock clipper here, so I'm gonna use these and then find a few more. And then it looks like we're gonna throw a screw in, yeah, probably at the very end right there, just so the end doesn't pop out at all. Man, oh man. Aftermarket companies just, sometimes their stuff's on point. I think this is like an Icon Motorsports lip. This thing fits really good. Let's screw this bad boy on real quick. Well, the lip is on. It is held on by a total of 17 screws, so I do not think that thing is gonna come off anytime soon, like whatsoever. I highly doubt it. Let's go ahead and throw it back on the car. There's one thing I wanna do on this car actually, real quick, and that is adjust this lower intercooler pipe. I gotta figure out how to get it to stay up, because I hate when it hangs down. It's freaking ugly. So, I don't know, before I powder coated it, I should have welded a metal bracket to go from there up to that mount up there, and I guess I still could and then just recoat it. I think it's that coupler right there though. It's just kind of wonky, but I'm gonna figure something out right here, and then we can get the bumper back on with a new lip. All right, that should be good to go. All I did was slide this coupler way farther up on the intercooler, and that pulled the whole pipe up a little bit. But if I do keep having issues, I'm just gonna have to grind the powder coat off right there, weld a bracket from the pipe up to there like I was saying earlier, and then just recoat it. But that should be good to go for now. Let's throw the bumper back on and see how amazing it is going to look. Or I don't know, should we just leave it like that? I've always thought Evo 8s and 9s look just freaking gnarly with a fat ass front mount with no bumper. That looks pretty sick. Drop a comment down below if you kind of agree with me. Damn. That's all I gotta say. Damn. Well, what do you guys think about that? I think that was one of the most important things I needed to do on this car, and now it's done. What do you guys think? Drop a comment in the comment section below. Well, I guess that is gonna be it for this video, guys. There's not really much else to do today or tonight. It's getting pretty late. I'll probably go inside, edit this video. What do you think I should do to the Evo next? Or should I just leave it how it is? I don't know. There's not much else to do to this car, honestly. Like, aftermarket wise, I still have to do the seat install. I do have a diffuser to put on, which I guess I could do tonight. You know, I'm gonna save that for another day. Yeah, other than that, I don't really know. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like to see on the Evo next. All right? If you guys want to pick up this lip for your Evo 8, it won't fit Evo 9s, only Evo 8s. I'll have it linked down below. Go pick it up, or try to find a local like I did and save yourself like $20 or $30. Either way, this lip looks good. It really changed the whole look of the front end like it always does on any car. Front lips are one of the main important things, or one of the first mods I ever do on a car. They look so good. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.